The break statement breaks out of the loop that you're currently in, especially the for and the while loop. So let's write a small program that's going to require a break. So we wrote a small program here that's going to count until it finds number 34 right here. Once it finds number 34, it's going to print out how many times did it loop around to find number 34. And let me explain this again. For numbers inside of the range 0 to 49 or 50, 0 to 49, if the number equals the number that we were looking for, break outside of this loop. So break outside of the loop and come right here. If not, add 1 to the number of iteration. So let's run our program. And here you go. It found 34 and it took 34 iterations in order to find number 34.